Before you fall in love with granite countertops and mountain views, there are 5 critical questions that you need to ask about any home you're even considering purchasing here in Prescott, Arizona. Asking the right questions up front can help protect you from costly repairs, buyer's remorse, and could even give you an edge in today's real estate market. Now, in this video, I'm walking you through the essential questions that savvy buyers really should be asking during showings so that they can spot red flags early, avoid surprises, and make a confident offer. There's nothing worse than falling in love with a house only to find out that it has some real crazy hidden problems. Before we continue on with the topic, let me quickly introduce myself. I am ODESSA KEILMAN, the creator of the Prescott Homeowner channel here on YouTube, and I am here to be your go-to Prescott area real estate expert. I help buyers make smart and informed decisions in one of area's most beautiful and varied markets. If you find this video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more insider tips. All right, let's go ahead and get started. First item, always ask about the condition and maintenance, especially with Prescott's older homes. Prescott does have so many beautiful historic properties, but with that charm often comes a lot of upkeep. A couple things to ask how old the roof is, ask if the heat or the AC has ever been replaced, ask about plumbing or electrical upgrades. I've seen buyers completely blindsided by a $3,000 roof replacement cost that came up during the inspections, and luckily they knew about it before they purchased the home, but the deal fell apart because they really didn't know what to expect and didn't think that was a possibility. So make sure that doesn't happen to you. Next, dig into the lot conditions, slopes, and drainage. Between Prescott's hills and Arizona monsoon storms, drainage issues can lead to real problems. Ask how water drains during heavy storms. Ask if the home has ever experienced erosion or flooding. Another real-life example, I showed this home. It had an incredible view, but there was some poor grading, and that actually caused water to pool right at the foundation, and there were these huge cracks forming along the edges. For that buyer, that was a red flag. So we moved on before getting too serious. Number 3 is to ask about the utilities, and I'm not talking about just the bills. In Prescott, not every home is on city services, and this can significantly affect both your lifestyle and your long-term costs. So you want to ask, is the home on city water, a private well, or a community well? Ask whether it's connected to a city sewer or if it's on a septic system. Ask if there's any private utility lines between the home and the services, and whether there's easements or utility lines running through the property. And if you're in an area near the granite dells or where boulders are really common, be sure to ask if the home has ever been tested for radon. These are easy to miss questions that can lead to major surprises if they're overlooked. Number 4 is ask about any nuances that you might suspect in the neighborhood. Prescott offers a wide range of lifestyles, from quiet forested lands in the country to lively downtown streets. You know, ask about traffic patterns, road noise, nearby events, and even seasonal events in tourism. Ask if there's any new construction planned close by, and make sure that you're doing your own diligence. In addition to asking, do some research out there, because if the buyers or your agent don't know, they can't tell you, and they may not be looking into those things the way you would want. This is so important because you want to love your neighborhood. You want to love your entire environment, not just the inside of your home. And road noise in particular can vary dramatically depending on the time of the day, especially if you're near schools or areas that get just a little bit of rush hour traffic. Finally, if you're really thinking about spending an offer, get tactical. The good homes in Prescott can move pretty quickly, especially if they're priced right. So ask if there's any current offers. Ask and do some research about recent price drops. Ask what terms matter most to the seller, because this information can help you structure a stronger offer without necessarily having to pay more. And one quick bonus tip, after each home you view, take a few minutes to capture your key takeaways. You can write down some notes on an info sheet that you have about the property, record a short voice memo on your phone, or even a quick video of the home with you talking about it. After you've seen a few homes, they can really blur together, and this simple habit will help you remember what truly stood out and what didn't. Now, I would love to hear from you. What is one question you wish you had asked during a home tour? Drop it in the comments below so that, well, I'm curious, and also so other buyers in Prescott can learn from your experience. And if you're ready to start house hunting the smart way, please reach out to me. I would love to help you find the right home for the right price. My information is in the comments below, and I am here to help. I'm ODESSA KEILMAN with the Prescott Homeowner, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.